Hi guys, I'm Prasna here. So today I'll compare the multi-cursor feature in Sublime and how we can have the same kind of behavior in PyCharm and Vim as well. I'm not a fan of Sublime. In fact, like I'm using that like a text editor. But I just want to compare it. So this is a job. This is a definition of job. I want to change this function name into job underscore new. So what I'll be doing is I'll come here. I'll press job underscore new. I can search for job and then I can escape. Yeah, and I can come here and I can change it to new. But this is not efficient, so I'll try to use the multi-cursor feature. So what we can do is I'll just select this job and then I'll press Control Command G, which will highlight all the occurrences of job, and then I'll press underscore new. But the problem is it will change in all the places. So it changed here as well, which is not desired behavior. I think that should be a efficient way to do this, but I felt like it's not as efficient as doing this in PyCharm or in Vim. So let me show the same thing with PyCharm, which I was using in my day-to-day activities. So yeah, and yeah, I enabled relative number. So as you can see, like all the in the gutter, like it was relative to the current line. So let's say like if I want to change this definition, all I need to do is 21J. So I'll be coming here. I can come here and I can press Shift F6. So this is yeah, I forgot to mention. It's a idea Vim plugin in installed in PyCharm. So the advantage here is we can use the PyCharm's shortcut along with Vim's key binding. Which was very good. So I'll change this to new job underscore new. So it'll ask for the places to change. Yeah, and as you can see, like it was very intelligent and it changed here and it changed here as well, which was very good. So for larger projects, I think using PyCharm was good. So we can easily navigate between the files and we can do all kind of refactoring and all. It was very helpful. But for smaller projects, I think Vim was sufficient and it was good also. So I'll go to Vim. So yeah, so how we can do the same thing with Vim? Yeah, so I'll search for job first. As you can see, like I enable the highlighting here, so it'll highlight in all the places. If I press N, then it'll go to the next match. If I press capital N, it'll go to the previous match. If I press GN, it will visually select the match. So as you can see, like the job was selected here. So I'll come out of it. I'll go to the next match, which is job. I'll say GN. It was selecting this, but instead of GN, I'll say CGN, which is to change the visually selected match. So if I do this, it means I'm selecting the text and then changing it. So I'll change it to job underscore new and I'll press escape. So the advantage here is I composed this as a single operation. So it means like I can repeat this using dot operator easily. So if I press dot, it will change the next occurrence of job into job new. So it'll come here and then it'll change into job new. If I press dot again, it'll go and change there. But the good part is I don't want to change this job scheduler. So I'll say N, I'll come here, and I'll change this job underscore func into job underscore new underscore func. So I'll press dot here, I'll come here, I don't want to change this, I'll come here, I'll press dot, and then I'll come here. So it was very good. So like if you compose the Vim commands in such a way that it's repeatable, it'll be very helpful. And I think it's very cool and you can try this.